Hey there friends! Today we are checking out the July 2022 monthly kit and add-ons from Elle Studio. First, let's take a look at this monthly kit. Alright, already I look at the die cut sheets on the monthly kit and I love the predominance of blues and fuchsia and teal on these kits. There isn't a bit of pink to be seen. There's a lot more navy and yellow and teal and green than anything else, and I really like that. It already has like kind of a really fresh and energetic vibe to me from these two sheets. You have some shape die cuts, some phrase die cuts, some labels, some tabs. These are arrows here, and just very usable die cuts for any kind of paper crafting that you want to do. We have 3 4x6s, this really fun stripe with the journaling through, and I love that color scheme there. You have the sunshines and stars in stripes. Then we have our 3x4s. Let's take a look at those. I think this one on top is going to be my favorite this month. Look at those pretty colors. Hello, good times. Life is good. We have 2 sunshines, unplug and recharge. That's a good one for summer, right? This and that. There's that star stripes in teal. There's another great stripe. Love those fresh colors. They're so pretty. I love you more than. Summer captured. That's a great one. Fave place. On my list currently. There's the days of the week. Stars. The seal kind of star in teal. Favorite moment 1 and favorite moment 2. I love that teal and lime green together. There's some banners, the 3 stars, a grid, well, ledger sort of card, and yes to this. So lots of blues, lots of greens, really beautiful colors this month. Okay, let's check out the coordinating add-ons. I love the labels this month, and they're such beautiful colors, and I really think that I'm going to use this as one full sheet as like a 4x6 tag, like a pocket tag. I could see myself putting a photo on here and it'd be just beautiful. So these are the July labels. If you want to cut these apart, I suggest buying 2. They're beautiful. Next up we have the Star Notes die cuts, just as beautiful. You have big stars, and these have the little lines on them too, so if you want to use them for journaling, they're perfect for that. That's why they're called Star Notes. We have small stars, I guess medium stars, they're not too small. You have little star kind of tab labels here. You have bigger labels, and these are in lots of different colors. So you have your blues, your greens, and yellow, and then that light coral. Then you have the small star squares in the same colors. Then you have the circles, and I like these because they're kind of like a little tag. You can hang these off of something. Super fun. If I can get them apart here. Blues and teals. And then you have the little stars, the teeny tiny stars that come out of those. So lots of different die cuts here, as always, in this die cut pack, and all with stars. Next up, we have the Teal Jane Alphabet cardstock stickers. So another color offering in that classic Jane Alphabet cardstock sticker. We have teal that goes perfectly with this month's kit. Let's get into the Puffy stickers. We have the Everyday Label Puffy stickers. These have everyday phrases and words on them, like enjoying the simple things, loved this day, weekend fun. Then you have some shapes over here, stars and hearts, that just say this story today, super fun. So every day is the perfect name for these because you can use them for any kind of memories. Next up we have the orange Puffy alphabet stickers, perfect for summer. Orange is such a great summer color, and now we have that offering in the shop. Last but not least, for the Puffy stickers, we have a new set of Puffy star stickers. So if you weren't able to get these in the past, now we have them back in the shop. So you have your rainbow of stars available to you. Speaking of stars, we're seeing a lot of stars this month, but we have gold star paper clips. So these are really fun just to add a different texture to your projects, and they just clip on to the edge of a piece of paper or a photo. So we have those in the shop. You get 8 in a pack. Last but not least, we're going to talk about stamps and dies. This month we have a new 6x8 stamp. It is the Star Note stamp. So great for journaling, great for adding some embellishment there. You have your star seal, you have your 5-star ratings, super and fun stars, little tiny embellishment stars, a row of stars, a star ledger. You have journaling lines, just all sorts of really fun stars. And to go along with it, you have the Star Notes metal die that cuts all of those fun pieces out for you. My favorite stamp this month is the brand new medium Hazel stamp. If you guys have watched me for a while, you'll know that the Hazel stamp is pretty much my favorite stamp in the shop for alphas, and now we have it in a medium size, and it also has these words, date, week, AM, and PM, as well as all of your punctuation. So this is a great all-around typewriter font for your projects, and now it's just a little bit bigger. Thanks so much for watching as I unbox the July 2022 monthly kit and add-ons from Elle Studio. I hope you'll check out the links in my video notes so you can learn more about subscribing to the monthly kit so that you can get special perks like bundled shipping, discounts, and more. Thanks so much for watching, and have so much fun creating with your brand new Elle Studio goodies.